Hello, good evening again. This is MD Shahidulami. I'm coming with one video now. So what I will do, I'll take a backup using the PowerShell DBA tools from the SQL Server and take a backup of the particular location and then restore it from there to the SQL Server one more time in another server or the same server. Let me uh, go for that one. So I have a script to register to the DBA tools. I needed to import the DBA tools, install and import the DBA tool, which I have done before. So I'm not going for that. Just I want to register to the DBA tools using the PowerShell. So I have before that. Let me show you uh, how I log into the Windows PowerShell. So Windows PowerShell, what I have to do, just click right mouse arrow and then run as an administrator. So then we'll log into the PowerShells with the administrative privilege, and then I have one syntax which I have saved in my notepad before, just to make sure that we can register to the DBA tools. So just copy that syntax and paste it there, and then enter. So it will be registered to the DBA tools. So from the DBA tools, we could there is a mechanism. We can see the database is been backed up and where it was and how many size, what is the size, and when it did backed up. Everything will be shown over there. So for the syntax of the back up the database, I'll use it right now. But let's see that go to the SQL Server and check our which database will have to take the backup. So for the backup, I selected one database, that is at HR, and only one table is there because there is a small database I should have to pick. And let me show you what are the uh, data I have in the HR databases. So select the database, select top 1000 rows, and you see there is 107 rows. Only one small database, and there is nothing is added, no index, no store procedure, nothing. Only one small table, because migration would be. I don't want to go for that big data migration or big data backup. So go to the PowerShell and type the backup syntax, that is backup. So backup SQL databases or I think DBA databases is a big code, and here should be the SQL instance. That is, let me check what is the name of the SQL server. Connect. This one is the server. So I can do one thing. Then I right mouse, select and give the right mouse, and then go to the properties of the database and take it the server name from here. Just server name, Control C, copy and paste it there. Let me close it. And so give double inverted comma and then the server name, and then it comes the database. So database should be HR. It is very easy one. And file path would be, let me select the file path. So I have a lot of space in my D drive. So I go to the D drive and choose one folder, that is JDBC. And no, JDBC is a lot of that. Let me go to the human resource. Yes, there is a lot of database here, but let me delete all of them. Delete, and then select this folder, human resources, and go to the PowerShell one more time. Give the inverted comma, start and close, and then paste it here. Paste the human resources and give the database file name, that is hr dot bak, that is full. So, and also I can give the type, what type of data backup will be created. So I want to choose the full one and give the full, and then now give the enter. So data has been backed up. So everything is present here. That is, we can see at a glance what is this instance number, what type of database backup, full, and total size of the database, and disk, device type is disk, and start this time, and duration was that time. Everything is mentioned here. So, and this is the last database, last time database backup. So I can do all kind of backup here. I took only the full. Now I will take the differential. And type the type, that is differential. So I can take the differential as well. And also everything is same here. Everything before I saw the full database backup, and now I can see the differential. I can differentiate the size of the backup is 912, and because for 4.20 megabyte, it's 912 KB. So differential is, if there is changes occur after the full backup, what is the changes occurred, uh, that should be captured in the differential. So now I can go for the log backup. So for the log, I can type here TRN, that is transaction log, and type, I could make it here log, or I can choose it from the system. Type, and it will give the option to type the log. So I can enter the log here, and yes, log backup has been created. So let me check. Everything has been transferred to the there. Yes, we can see HR back, full backup, HR different backup, and HR transaction log backup. Everything has been captured in this uh, drive. So, and now we can restore the same to our uh, our SQL Server. So what should I have to do right now? I can go to the SQL Server and just delete the table. So here is table still. There is a table HR. I can check all the data. Yes, data is present. So let's close all the session. This session as well. This session as well. Create a new query window, and then what should to do? Just drop the trunk, delete the table. It would be easier one. So delete the table here, and there is no table. HR, you will find no table here. I have deleted that. So let me do one restore. So for the restore operation, what I have to do is just to type the restore DBA database, and then SQL instance. So take the instance name from here, connect. It is one. So take the server name from here and go to the select it here, It's so it's already there because I have given the SQL Server name before that. It has been taken from there. So now give the database name that is HR, and now give the path. Path is so take the path from there. That would be better. Human resource, take this one. HR dot dot back, and says there should be a name convention. So whatever the name I write here, it's supposed to be there. Otherwise, it could not recognize each other. So give the name here, and what should you have to do with three? I should have to write like with replace because database is already over in the server, but what are the data inside? It's supposed to be replaced over there. And one more uh, parameter I supposed to give, that is, let me verbose, I believe if there and no stv, yes, verbose. So now if I try run the code, then what happens? Yes, data has been successfully loaded. Let me go to the SQL server and check the table has been inserted or not. Yes, table is there. The data is, everything is in the SQL Server databases. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good one.